Yo, what is good, everybody? Today's video is the first video of a series that we are starting on this channel. So this series actually doesn't have a name yet, but the goal of this series is to find shoes that are 50% off or more, and just to see how much cheaper we can get like some of the more expensive shoes. So in today's video, here's our first shoe right here. So basically how this is going to work is I'm going to be told the retail price of this shoe and then how much the person got it for. I have no clue what shoe is in this box, and so I was told that the retail for this shoe is $180, and as you guys probably know, that is how much an Ultra Boost retails for, so that is what I'm thinking this is. And the person that bought these actually got them for $80. And I feel like you could probably find like an Ultra Boost 1.0 or 2.0 for that amount of money. So that's my best guess on that. But right now, go in the comments below and tell me what you guys think this shoe is. And before we open up this shoe, I am doing a sneaker giveaway when I hit 3,000 subscribers. So make sure you go click on the link at the top of the description to go check that out. Okay. So now let's go ahead and start opening this. Okay, so here, should I look at it first and then you guys look? Or no, here. Okay, you guys know what it is, but I don't know what it is yet, so. Okay, I'm guessing it's an Ultra Boost. Yes, it is an Ultra Boost. Oh. Let's see. S&LM. I feel like I've seen these. Hold up. The first shoe in this series is an Ultra Boost. Now, ooh. It's actually pretty nice right there. It's got nice suede. Okay, so this Ultra Boost right here, the official name is Ultra Boost S&LM. I think, is that for men's? I don't know, do they make a women's? So the prime knit of this shoe is like an olive green color, and then you have some suede right there, and it actually feels very nice. And then we obviously have the painted Boost. Yeah, so on the back, in person, it's a dark red, but on this camera, it looks like a bright red or orange, and we have the same color right there. And then this right here, this is actually like an orange color on the tip of the laces. And we also have that same exact color on the insole right there. Now, right here on the three stripes, it's actually a quite thicker material than what's on your normal Ultra Boost. Like, I have this pair right here. Let me see. Yeah, I have these, the undefeated ones, and this is more of like a clear plastic. Like, you can see my finger through there. And then on these, obviously you can't see my finger through there. It's like a way thicker material. It's like a leather, suede leather type of thing. So overall, I think it's a very nice looking shoe. And for paying $80 for this, that's actually not that bad. An Ultra Boost is probably one of the most comfortable shoes that you can buy right now, so you're getting a really good deal on a good looking sneaker, and the comfort level is way up there. So let's go ahead and get the other pair out. This one's wrapped up in paper. Alright, so here we go. This one doesn't have tags on. Now I guess all we have left to do is try these on feet. And yeah, I really want to hear what you guys think about this whole entire series. We actually do have like 5 more shoes or 6 more shoes that we have bought for really cheap, and we'll probably be doing this every week. So tell me in the comments below if you like this type of series type thing, and make sure everyone give this video a like. But let's go ahead and see how these things look on feet. Okay guys, so that was just some on-foot footage of these Ultra Boost. And so in overall rating of the shoe, from 0 to 10, I will put this around a 7. And the reason that I'm putting this at a 7 is because the comfort is there, but the looks isn't. Like, I would never really rock a shoe like this. You know, I don't really like this type of color. But I could definitely see a lot of other people wearing this. So, because it's not a very good color, that's why it's a little bit lower. But if it was a good color, it would probably be up there in the 9s or 10s, just because of how comfortable the shoe is. So, the price of the shoe is actually very good. So, if the price was still $180, then I would probably rate these at a 5, but since we got them for $80, that brings the score a little bit up. And I will be selling these on an eBay account, so there will be a link in the description if you want to get a good deal on these, way under $180. Because personally, in my opinion, I don't think these are worth that much. But obviously, if it was a better color, it would be. But yeah, again, tell me in the comments below how you guys like this series. And everyone, smash the like button. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And get ready for the next episode of this series next week. We have a lot of cool shoes coming. But as always, thank you guys for watching.